Hello friends! Today is the last day of summer and I hope that everyone had great vacation and ready for new achievements. So let's see, what is new in power semiconductors industry? Japan's Fuji Electric will invest an extra 40 billion yen to expand production of power semiconductors, which are used in air conditioners, electric cars and other equipment. The decision is a response to growing demand from renewable energy applications, such as electric vehicles and solar, said President Michihiro Kitazawa. The company plans to begin producing power semiconductors in Malaysia around fiscal 2023, using clean rooms and other facilities freed up after hard disk media production was halted there last month. ONSEMI, a leading supplier of intelligent power and sensing technologies, and GT Advanced Technologies (GTAT), a producer of silicon carbide, announced that they have entered into a definitive agreement under which ONSEMI will acquire GTAT for $415 million in cash. Founded in 1994, GTAT has significant experience in crystalline growth, including silicon carbide. SiC is a key material for next-generation semiconductors that provide technical benefits in silicon carbide power switching devices, significantly improving system efficiency in electric vehicles, EV charging, and energy infrastructure. The transaction is expected to better position ONSEMI to secure and grow supply of silicon carbide and meet rapidly growing customer demand for silicon carbide-based solutions in a sustainable ecosystem, including electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging, and energy infrastructure. Combining ONSEMI's manufacturing capabilities with GTAT's technical expertise will accelerate silicon carbide development and position ONSEMI to better serve customers as the sustainable ecosystem rapidly ramps up over the next decade. VisIC Technologies has completed a $35 million funding round to support the strong demand coming from a rising number of automotive clients. VisIC Technologies is a world leader in gallium nitride devices for electric transportation applications focused on high-power automotive solutions. Its efficient and scalable products are based on deep technological knowledge driven by decades of semiconductor experience in gallium nitride. Founded in 1958 in Kyoto, Japan, the ROHM Group today has become a global player in supplier and electronics industry. The company produces a wide range of solutions, including integrated circuits for power management, silicon carbide MOSFETs, diodes and modules, silicon power transistors and diodes, but also LED resistors and many more electronic components. Being a vertically integrated semiconductor manufacturer, ROHM is largely independent of suppliers and can respond more flexibly to market changes. ROHM Semiconductor Europe, which celebrates its 50th anniversary, was founded in 1971 with headquarters in Willich, near Düsseldorf, Germany, is represented by 8 offices in 6 countries today: Germany, France, UK, Spain, Finland and Italy. Additionally, ROHM's production facility SiC Crystal, located in Nuremberg, Germany, supplies the global market with silicon carbide wafers. The power electronics community will gather online from 6 to 10 September 2021 to exchange views on research progress and technological developments in various topics related to power electronics and adjustable speed drives. Originally, it was planned to take place in Ghent, Belgium, from 6 to 10 September 2021. After many years, the conference, which started in Brussels in 1985, would have returned to Belgium after a travel around Europe. With the COVID uncertainties, the original intention was to organize a hybrid conference. However, the steering committee has decided the conference will once again be full online. The conference conveys subjects from the components, design and modeling to many types of applications. The EPE conference is typically a place to meet people, colleagues and exhibitors in the field. This aspect has been translated to the virtual platform as much as possible. On September 7, watch this Infineon webinar and learn from their expert, Francesca Pastorelli, how to select the right MOSFET package for your design. The focus will be on Infineon's package offering for power MOSFETs from 20 to 300 volts. This webinar will help you understand how to overcome challenges like thermal behavior, high current and high power density in SMPS, BMS and motor drive applications with Infineon's newly released packages. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market updates coming next week. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. See you in September.